Hello, everybody. I am here to show you how to do your Flipgrid assignments and how to record your videos inside Flipgrid. So we're going to go here. I'm already inside the homework folder. So this is going to be my Flipgrid assignment. It's called El Círculo, the circle. I'm going to click here. So it all depends on how the teacher has their assignments set up. So inside the folder, the assignment is going to be there. You're going to click on it, and this is not what's going to show up at first. This is what's showing up for me because I'm already logged in to Google. So I'm going to see if I can show you what's going to pop up for you. See this? Join with Google. Try again so you can see it again. Join with Google. You see it? So when you join with Google, it's very important that you log in using your child's email address, all the email address, okay? Because that's the only way you're going to be able to enter Flipgrid. So once you're inside the topic, once you logged in with the email address, this is going to show up the topic. This is my topic. So the first thing you're going to see here is record a response. That's the button you're going to click. So with this little cursor here, when you see the hand, that's when you click. Click. And then this camera is going to come up so you can record your response. So you see this camera here, that's where you're going to click. And you see the little hand, that's where you click and you record. Click. Hi. And then at the bottom you see this little green arrow. That's what you're going to hit. Hi. And then at the bottom you see this green button. Hi. Again, click it. Then it's going to ask you for a selfie. So you're going to take a picture of your child. Here where this camera is, where the little hand, like the pointing hand is, that's where you're going to click. Smile. Cheese. There you go. And then you see this green arrow again. That's going to be your friend. Click it again. I know it's a lot of clicking. Here you can redo your child's name or just leave it like how it's suggested. And here you're going to click the submit button when you're done. Success! Your video is now inside the topic. So the response has been recorded. And you hit complete. And then you're done. That's it. So hopefully this little video helps you guys submit your assignments. And we'll have a good day.